We do not want to touch it and it's like iron sponge. Kilo day. No now. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you are just seeing me, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have been here before, thank you for tuning in again. Today I have something really interesting for you guys, as usual. But today is going to be centered mostly on the male folk, on the guys, on the men in this platform, or on this platform rather. And this is coming from a place of love, because some guys reached out to me on my contact list telling me that they feel kind of left out because I only do content for females, girls, ladies, women, and not for men. So today I took it upon myself to do something for y'all. Okay, so today we'll be talking about hair care for men. Now, when it comes to hair care, I think that everyone that has hair on their head should have a hair care regimen. What I'm saying is, if you're not completely bald like Two-Face Idibia kind of bald, you need to have some sort of hair care. And I am here to help you guys with some of the things you need to do, some of the products that you need to get to keep your hair healthy and to keep your hair just looking and smelling good, because that's like the whole deal. First off, we'll start by shampooing your hair. That is basically washing your hair. Alas, we have sweat glands everywhere. We sweat everywhere, even on our scalp. And even if you're not an activity person, like you don't do sports, you don't run, you don't do workouts or anything like that, you will still sweat. And you will still sweat on your scalp and everywhere that you have hair. It is important to always wash. Now, depending on the kind of hair that you have, I'm talking of like if you have black hair, it's kinky, it's curly, it's coily, it's wavy, whatever kind of hair it is, you need to wash it. If you want to do it once a week or once in 2 weeks, it depends on how you want to do it. I think that's just how frequent that you should wash your hair to avoid it being smelly and dirty. But if you're an exercise person, you are very active during the day and maybe during the night, you sweat a lot, then you know that you should wash your hair much more regularly than an average man would. And I'll be helping you with some products that I think are really good. I will try doing some high-end products and some really like cheap products that you can actually use and still get the same results, and that is healthy, good smelling hair. I'm starting with the high end. This is the olive oil ORS creamy aloe shampoo. It is really good. It's on the high end and it's almost finished. Mine is almost finished. It's so good. It smells amazing. I do not have to tell you that smell is really important. It smells really good and it lathers. It lathers very well and it does the job. I think right now it's over 3,000 naira, and I don't even know if that is high end, but for me it is. Shampoo now. I recently just got this. That's why it's still full. This is the XHC strawberry shampoo and it's vegan. It smells like strawberries. I know it smells like strawberries, but there are so many other brands. They have the one for banana, they have the one for ginger, they have the one for tea tree, and they have something hemp, and I think Indian hemp, I don't know, but they have a lot of key ingredients. 1,100 naira, very cheap, and it's a 400 ml bottle, so it's going to last. I also have conditioning because they all go together, and here are some products for that. This is the brother to that. This is the XHC strawberry conditioner. It says everything that the other one says, so it's like a brother and sister thing, and it costs the exact same price. This has a conditioner as well. They're about the same price, and they do the exact same thing. It smells good, it feels good, and it does good. I know a lot of guys feel like one soap does it all. It doesn't. And I'm throwing shade. If you're a man and you think that the bar soap you use on your body is good for your hair, or the liquid soap you use for your body is good for your hair, we have a fight. We're going to go and wrestle, because it's not supposed to be like that. Like, it's hygienic to have separate products for your body and for your hair, even if they're the same brands, but they just have to be different. One soap doesn't do everything. Now, I've talked about shampoo and conditioner, and I want to talk about how to use them. I think it's pretty simple. You wet your hair, then apply the shampoo, lather, rinse, Apply the conditioner, wait for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how long you can wait in the bathroom for that, and then rinse that off. What's next is leave-in conditioner. It is not like the conditioner you use in the bathroom after your shampoo. This is a conditioner that you do not get to wash out. That is why it's called a leave-in. You are leaving it in there conditioner. I've always talked about TCB, but it's like I'm saying it again. This is so lightweight. This would penetrate your strands really fast, because it's lightweight. Everything is soaking up. It has moisture in it. It actually says intense moisture therapy. So, it says what it says and it does what it does. So, and it's very cheap. I don't have a very expensive leave-in conditioner. I used to. The one I had was Cantu. Any product from Cantu starts from above 3,000, upwards. So this is 670 naira. Yeah. It smells like coconut. It's a leave-in treatment with shea butter and coconut oil. It does wonders. Now let's talk about oils and oiling your hair. Oils for me are like sealants, and sealants are things that locks in moisture in your hair. So for example, you shampoo your hair and condition your hair in the bathroom. You get out and you put in your leave-in conditioner to help with moisture and hydration, and to seal that moisture in, you need oils. That's the simplest way I can talk about it or explain it. You need oils, and there are so many oils to help with this. Black castor oil. This is my holy grail. It's a very thick oil and it locks in moisture. And aside to that, it actually helps your hair grow. Another oil is peppermint oil. Now, it's not exactly a sealant because peppermint oil is very light, enhances blood circulation for your scalp. It's about hair growing from the scalp. What of the beard? And I noticed that the beard is one major part that people do not get to talk about. I don't know if it's only me or other ladies feel the same way, but when I see a man with a stash of beard, I get really judgy, and that is because one, it's either it smells real bad, like yo, the natural scent is just not from this place. It's either it smells bad, or you can always see the man itching or doing something like that, and that in itself is gross. If you have beards, the same rules apply. But you have to shampoo it and wash it out, and you have to condition, make it soft. We do not want to touch it and it's like iron sponge. Kilo day. No, now I know of guava oil, really helps with beards. I also know a couple of vendors on Instagram that do sell these things. If you want, I could put the links in the description box down below. Please make sure you check for that. If your beards are looking questionable, then I am going to question you. Let me know down in the comment section if this video helped you. Yeah, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.